And look.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So this morning I was looking at the news and came across an article that I had some interest in reading because it was so ridiculous. And we're going to kind of try to figure this out together. Although there are quite a few articles written on this particular product, the one that I read was, "Hello, yes, 911. There's a wait list for these $168 thong jeans." Thong jeans. I know that I have seen these before today, but that was actually just on the runway. And you know, the stuff on the runway can be kind of weird and not translate into everyday attire. Well, people are buying these jeans for $168. Carmar denim. So take a look at this, you guys. There's a girl, and the first picture, you know, she's got on a bodysuit or a bathing suit, and the jeans have been just cut away. There's really nothing left except for the seams, the pockets, and a little bit on the knees. If my butt looked like that, I'd wear these. Probably not. Now, if I wanted these, I would just go and buy them. Or would I? Oh, no, I wouldn't. Today we are going to make our own pair of thong jeans. I don't see why anyone would spend $168 on these jeans if you could just do it yourself. And I just so happen to have a pair here. The holes in the knees got a little bit out of control, so I don't wear them anymore because the holes are too big. So let's make them bigger. Yeah, let's do it. All right, I have to make sure I look at the pictures as I cut away these pants. And let's see about the pockets. Very small pockets on the inside. So that's going to be even less coverage, but that's okay. I don't think we're worried about coverage, are we? I'm going to leave a little bit in the knee, and then basically it's all seams. Okay, here we go, you guys. So here is what is left of my jeans. I just saved myself $168. Or I just ruined a pair of pants that I'm never gonna wear again. I think they look pretty good. And that's it for this video on, just kidding. I am going to try these on. There's the thong. I am not going to be wearing what the model is wearing because that would be gross for me. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what I can do. I'll be back in a minute. I'm scared. Okay, I can't believe this is happening. But here they are. I feel very fashionable. Kind of like if I were wearing assless chaps. You guys, come on, check out this craftsmanship. Pretty good. I think I look exactly like the girl in the picture. So while doing this video, I had to constantly remind myself that wearing these is far more coverage than if I were to be doing a bikini haul and try on. So didn't make me feel much better, but I feel better. This doesn't feel better. So anyway, you guys, that's it for this video where instead of spending $168, we made our very own pair of thong jeans. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I didn't learn anything. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.